Hi everyone, I am from Seattle and I read, it was either in the San Diego Union Tribune or the Seattle Times, I forget, but they compared the two cities, Seattle and San Diego has received more rain this season than Seattle. I can't remember by how much, maybe it was twice as much. San Diego's received a lot of rain, so have we, so this building has just been soaked multiple times. You can see it doesn't hurt it, but there's just watermarks all over the place. And certainly showed you the mud around this place quite a bit. We still have a lot of mud inside. Watermarks basically in every room where the rain is coming. There's just been so much rain. Oh, hey, this is a good opportunity to show the window openings here. Each window will be custom made. With the wind from the storms, we were unable to install the roof beams, but now we got great weather, and we're gonna have great weather for the next 10 days at least, so stuff is starting to go up quick. Don't worry, the camera's looking at it, not me. And now you can see the windows high up. That'll let light down into the hallway down here. This is the school principal's office. Right at the entrance to the school, and we finally got the wood out of here, and now you can see the bridge. I will have to go back and look and see if I made a video of this or not, but those footings go way down. I would say a meter at least, each footing of the bridge under the ground. They're way down in there. Here's kind of a cool shot. Right as you walk down the stairs here to where I'm at, and you head down the rest to the lower floor, there's a great view right outside the front door. And we're gonna have large double doors right through there. And the view is really cool as you go down. It's really pretty, especially now because it's rained so much. Wow, this goes deep. That's probably 10 feet deep down there. That tube is actually a water tube. I forget the diameter, but it's larger than your average septic tube. But Eric got a deal on them. And it goes all the way from the school, all the way underneath, right to here. And then there will be a what they call a registro. I doubt the translation is register in English, but well, let's just call it a registro right here that goes out into this property of the neighbor here, and out into the city sewage line. Not sure if all my vocabulary is correct, but that's what's happening. We were originally going to put a septic tank in, but this worked out a lot better, feeding right into the neighbor's line, which is legal, and straight out into the street. So that's the plan, and it's well, it's all underneath earth now. So here's a connection not yet covered. So there's the what was a water pipe or tube connected over to another one. Actually, what's that say? It's in English. Let's read it. It says Charlotte pipe. And it probably even says on there the diameter. Let's see if I can zoom in here, see what it says. 6 inch? I guess that's what it is. I think that's what I saw. 6 inch PVC type. There you go. And it comes from, let's see if I can figure this out here. It comes from over there. I'm sure I've confused this whole thing. I always go the wrong way. Where am I? There we go. So here's where things start getting cool. Let me flip this around. It's lunchtime, and there's our kids at lunch over there. That's the kitchen, and the tables the kids eat at. And right across the way here is where we're going to pour cement right here that will be extended from the what they call the cancha right out here and then onto the steel deck. Now this is the actual bridge right here. So this is prepped and ready for the pour at the entrance of the school. Still stuccoing. That's a huge job stuccoing this thing. I did not realize what a big job it is to stucco this whole thing inside and out. But it takes a long time. Let's see if I check this right. All the roof beams are now installed. They're doing some final welds up there, but I'm pretty sure everything is installed, and roof panels will go on next week. So I still have some welding to do. But everything is up. Here's a look from down below at the bridge. This is the staff bathroom, and Eric and I picked out windows for this a couple days ago. They're frosted because I guess, you could definitely see in here from up above, so good to have some privacy. So 2 frosted windows here. These guys literally just do this all day long, just with the spatula, throwing up stucco all day. That's what they do. A lot of bending. There's no margin for error in getting dizzy.